This sneaker took 6 months to design and 60 steps to manufacture. Every day, this factory produces 50,000 pairs of Nike shoes. It all starts here too, the Innovation Lab. Designers study athlete performance data, current fashion trends. Expert sample makers build the first physical prototypes by hand. Athletes and testers wear them for weeks, providing feedback that leads to dozens of revisions. This factory stocks over 200 different materials. Engineered mesh for breathability, synthetic leather for decisions. Modern shoe manufacturing is incredibly high-tech. These computer-controlled cutting machines use lasers and high-speed.
Now the pieces come together. Skilled workers stitch, glue, and fuse the upper components into shape.
While uppers are being built, the foundation is being made. Midsoles start as liquid foam, EVA or polyurethane parts. Release. The midsole and outsole are then precisely aligned and pressed together under heat and pressure. This bonding process intervals. The shoe is almost ready. Workers insert molded insoles, thread laces through eyelets, attach hang tags. Before any shoe leaves the factory, samples from each batch undergo rigorous testing. Machines simulate months of wear in hours. The final step, packaging. Boxes are sealed, labeled with size and style codes, and loaded onto pallets.